Imagine a marketplace so colossal that it can shift the world's economy. Picture a place where fortunes are made and lost in mere seconds. This isn't a scene from a futuristic science fiction novel. It's the reality of the stock exchange, a place where companies and investors meet to trade shares. The concept of a stock exchange may seem modern, yet it has roots stretching back to the 12th century. In the fair city of Bruges, Belgium, brokers and moneylenders would gather in the house of a man named Van der Beurs to discuss business. This gathering was so influential that it became the model for the first official stock exchange, established in Antwerp in 1531. Fast forward to 1698, when the London Stock Exchange was born, from the simple act of two men trading shares under a coffee shop sign depicting Jonathan's Coffee House. Across the pond, the New York Stock Exchange, now the largest in the world, sprang to life in 1792 under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street. Today, there are over 60 major stock exchanges across the globe, from the Tokyo Stock Exchange to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, each playing a pivotal role in their country's economy. The stock exchange is a complex, bustling entity, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. But what exactly happens there? It's a place where companies sell pieces of their businesses, called shares or stocks, to the public. This is done to raise money for growth, innovation, and development. In return, those who buy these shares, the investors, gain a small ownership in the company. If the company performs well, the value of the shares goes up, and the investor can sell them at a profit. But if the company falters, the value of the shares can plummet, leading to potential losses. It's a high-stakes game of risk and reward. The stock exchange is not just a place for the rich and the powerful. It's a place for anyone with a keen interest in the corporate world and a willingness to learn the ropes. It's a platform that allows individuals to have a stake in the success of companies they believe in. In the grand scheme of things, understanding the stock exchange is a step towards financial literacy. It's a gateway to the world of investments, a world that thrives on informed decisions and strategic risks. So, why not delve deeper into the fascinating world of the stock exchange? Why not embark on a journey to understand the mechanisms that drive our global economy? Why not consider investing, not just to grow your wealth, but also to play an active role in the growth of businesses and, by extension, our society? Remember, the stock exchange is a reflection of human ambition, a testament to our relentless pursuit of progress. It's a world full of opportunities, waiting for you to seize them. So go ahead, take that first step, and who knows where this journey might lead.